Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring safety and access. Disconnect the battery negative terminal to avoid shorts. Once done, shift to neutral and engage the parking brake so you can work freely. Make sure to remove console trim carefully to expose the shift assembly and cable end. This prevents breaking plastic clips. Inspect the shift lock button and brake light switch while you have access, because they often cause interlock failures. You'll now be ready to test manual release mechanisms and cable movement. Next, you'll isolate the mechanical and electrical causes. Inspect the shift cable for kinks, fraying, or seized ferrules. Replace if movement is sticky. Once that's done, have an assistant gently move the gear lever while you watch the transmission end to confirm linkage travel. Use a multimeter to check brake light switch continuity, since the shift interlock relies on it, and energize the shift lock solenoid to verify it retracts. If the solenoid clicks but cable doesn't move, the linkage or cable. Finally, you perform the repair and verification. Replace a damaged shift cable or faulty solenoid, and lubricate pivot points sparingly with 10W30 or recommended grease to ensure smooth travel. Reassemble the console panels, reconnect the battery, and test the full shift range first with the engine off, then with the engine running while observing interlock behavior. If shifting still fails, scan for transmission or body control module codes and check relevant fuses. One key tip: verify brake light operation, because a dead brake circuit commonly masquerades as a shift problem.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.